A Galaxy S24 may freeze and lag due to several reasons. One common cause is having insufficient storage space, which can occur if the device's internal memory is overloaded with heavy apps. If you're bugged by this problem, the first thing you should do is to force restart your device. This is the most effective solution in fixing performance-related problems. Just press and hold the volume down and power buttons for at least 8 seconds. Your device will shut down and turn back on, so when the Samsung logo shows, release both keys and allow your device to continue booting up. After that, continue using your phone and observe closely to know if the problem is fixed. You should also check the storage, especially if you have a lot of pictures and videos on your phone. Low storage space can also cause this problem. To do that, launch Settings and then tap Device Care. Tap Storage and you should be able to tell on the next screen whether you still have enough storage or not. Aside from that, just make sure that your device is running on the latest firmware version. Just go back to the previous screen and tap Software Update. Then tap Download and Install to check. If these don't fix the problem, then you need to reset all settings of your phone. This will fix most of the performance-related problems. To do that, just launch Settings and scroll all the way down. Tap General Management and then tap Reset. Select Reset All Settings and then tap Reset Settings to proceed. After the reboot, the problem should already be fixed and you can continue using your phone without being bugged by freezes and lags. We hope this guide can help you. Thanks for watching.